We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Buongiorno! Beautiful day here in Sicily. I think today it's 27 degrees. So anyway, I am going to Marzamemi this morning to meet my friend Gorel. She is my Norwegian friend that I met here on YouTube. She's been here for three months now. I can't believe it. She has, I think, her last maybe 2 weeks left. Anyway, a parcel has arrived and I need to deliver it to her. And with that excuse, we are going to have some lunch at my friend Giussi and Massimo's Salumeria. And we are taking our costumes and we're going to go for our first, well, my first, I think it might be her first swim as well. Yes, it is. So we're going to try and brave it this today. I don't know if I'll be able to do it because I am such a chicken when it comes to cold water. It's the end of May and we never go swimming at the end of May. We always wait till middle of June or so. Anyway, so that's exciting. It's nice and early. I'm going to say goodbye to Massimo and I'm going to make my way slowly down towards Marzamemi. Hopefully there'll be no traffic on the way. All right, Mas, have a good day.
I will do. And it's going to be a long one.
It's going to be a long one, but you love doing these things, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely. Got to wake up first.
Yeah, absolutely. You've got a burger in the fridge. And you've got some tortellini if you get super hungry.
Don't worry, I think I can manage.
Ciao, amore.
Ciao, babes.
Ciao.
Love you. See you later.
Love you.
Bye, have a nice day.
Thanks. Okay, I have arrived in Marzamemi. So beautiful today. I am making my way towards the piazza where I'm meeting Gorel. I can't wait to show Gorel this beautiful place. And then we're going to come and have some lunch at my friend Massimo and Giussi's Salumeria, which I can't wait because I'm starving. Anyway, let's go meet Gorel. And there she is. We got our knickers in a knot and we didn't meet in the piazza. She's seen sundry. Hello! Hello, how are you? Wow. Bellissimo. Bellissimo, io amo tutti questi lampadai, sono stupendi. Come si chiama il negozio?
Il Rigatiere.
Il Rigatiere, ok. Lei si chiama?
Paolo Mallia.
Piacere.
Piacere.
Paolo, come si chiamava? Polare
is in the name of the boat.
Polare è la fabbrica di faceva.
Oh, guarda. Chiudi gli occhi, close your eyes. She's found her bag. Let's have a look at your bag. Love, 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 love. The lady's given her a discount of from 40 to 35. Thank you. Beautiful. Love the shop. Look at the view, guys. I want to work here in this shop. Just for that view. No. Wow.
Do you do this style?
I think I do all styles. Beautiful view from here. We're buying a few things. Gorel is buying 2 bags and a hat. And I'm probably buying a hat, yes. Ooh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. We had to show you our new hats. Let's go and work the fields now.
Yeah. I'm for the fields, you're for the fields.
rice.
Yeah, I'm the rice picker.
Let's go. Is it already blowing?
Hold on to your hats.
Massi to make me one. He'll kill me. Massi, we're a new project. It's just bits of fabric. Excellent.
But you have to get like the right fabric because
Yeah.
it can't be. You have to
Heavy.
be very light,
It needs
light
to be
fabric.
light. Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
you should make this bamboo. There's bamboo
I
everywhere.
love this bamboo. Yeah, stunning. Finally, we went and had some lunch, and it was delicious as always. Then we made our way down towards the beach, and we stayed there for about 2.5 hours, just chatting, paddling in the water, and just absolutely relaxing. I have never had such a relaxing day like this, like in ages, so it was great. Came back home and Massi had already gone to work, so I haven't seen him all day. He's done a brilliant job. He has finished the top part of the decking, and the side part, I think there's only one little bit missing, but I think I'll just show you that when he's completely finished the whole decking, which I can't wait now to fill the pool and just yeah, dive in and use it, and use the decking as a tanning area as well. We have his brother and his sister-in-law coming over next week, which is super exciting. I haven't seen his brother Fabio for like probably about 9 years or so. Yeah, about 9 years. And I've never met his sister-in-law Lynn, so that'll be really interesting to meet her. They've never been to Sicily before, so I'm just going to show them all around, you know. But they're so chilled, they're so relaxed. I think they just really just want to spend time here at the villa, which I don't blame them. I love spending time here too. But we're definitely obviously going to show them around Ortigia, and we might get a boat ride in, I'm not sure. And then towards the 10th of June, Simona, Massi's sister, and her husband and her daughter are coming over as well. So we're going to have a full house. I think I've told you guys this before. And that will be lovely. I love having a full house. I love it when everybody comes over. It's great. And then I love it when everybody goes away. I just love both things because I think you appreciate the house. I look forward to everyone coming over. It's great. I love it. And then I'm like, when everybody goes home, it's like, you know. So I'm excited. I really am. My sister at the moment is in Capri, and she's just sending me videos and pictures of Capri, which looks amazing. She's never been. I grew up. If you watched our video 2 years ago about our life and everything, I grew up in Capri with my parents, and yeah, it was amazing. I remember things when I was like really young. I think I was about 3 or 4, maybe even younger, but I still have like flashbacks of Capri and the Grotta Azzurra, the cave that we went in with my dad, and it was the color of the sea was amazing, and those are things that I will never forget. Anyway, I think summer has officially arrived. The weather is amazing.
Right, so yeah, my pencil broke. Maria says to me, oh, I need to explain what's going on.
Yeah.
She says I don't speak a lot. The reason being is because when I'm concentrating, I'm a man, so one path in front of me, get it correct and get it right all the time.
You said it, I didn't.
So I'm cutting these 10 by 10 poles, and I'm anchoring them onto the end of
The
the actual decking, and I'm making a handrail on the side because it is quite unfinished as it is.
Yeah, and we've got a small grandchild coming over in a couple of months, and I don't want him to fall over.
And we're getting old, so if we fall over, we
speak for yourself.
Yeah, so basically that's what it's all about, really. almost done here. Got just a couple of things. We decided to put a hand railing on. It's a secure hand railing. Not that gonna use it, but it looks better. So it gives it a finishing touch. So we're gonna get a few more of these dowel sticks. Put it on both sides. Maria wants to put them quite close together. We'll see how that goes.
And I want to put like a whole line.
Yeah, she
like
wants to put a few of them.
Strips down, yeah.
Basically we need to paint it and give it a touch up here and there. Pretty much done. We're going to put water in the pool though.
Yeah, that's going to be a
will
big...
be happening in the next couple of days.
Yeah, in the meantime we're going to go buy the wood now, aren't we?
Yeah, so we're going to go get some wood now. I need to get some sanding discs and I think that's it. That should be it.
Let's go.
Right, let's do this. Come on. 161. I can only make 2 out of one of these.
2 out of 2. How many do we need? Gosh.
How many do you want to put? Just remember.
We should have worked it out when we were there.
About how much?
I want quite big spacing. Like
Quite big. That's not big.
a little bit smaller. Yeah.
I'll need one about 4 on each side, at least 4. Minimum 4. 4 or 5 on each
So we
side.
need what? 4 in total? 5, 6.
So if it's 5 and I get 2 from each one,
Love the way we organize ourselves.
I need 5 of them.
5. Let's buy 6 just in case.
6.
This is the situation with the wood all the way back here. But yeah, at least we've got it and we're taking it straight home and we have to come back again to get some shopping. Massi puts mosquito spray even in the day because they attack him like you can't believe. I'm lucky. They don't like my blood. That's nice. I like that. It's nice, eh? Are you happy with it?
I want to clean it up.
Yeah, it needs painting and everything, but oh, it looks like a proper decking now, doesn't it?
Damn hot!
Alright, there you go. Not bad for like an hour's job. Love it. Then we decided to get rid of all the old wood that we had up on top of the pergola. Big changes. We decided to rip off the wood, which was getting old and it was looking very tatty. Anyway, so we took it all off and we dragged it around the back. I must admit, I nearly died. But anyway, it's all nice and well, it's not nice, but it's so weird seeing it without any covering, and it's so hot. Anyway, we've bought a big sort of awning. I don't know if you call it an awning, something like this, but a square, and we are going to be putting it on pretty soon, maybe tomorrow. Massi had to go to work. I've just come back from work, and yeah, oh, I'm loving the new platform over here. Wow. The next day we woke up with so much energy. I just think we have now acclimatized to the hot weather. We had to sort out our vines, and Massi had bought this trailing fence which we needed to put up and sort the vines out so they would grow over this trailing fence, and that's what he did. He did a brilliant job, and he ran some wires down the side which were really helpful because the sails that I bought for the side of the house were perfect. Then we tackled the big one, the big covering on the terrace, and we were worried it wouldn't fit, but actually it did, and the color is amazing. I just love this lighter color. It just makes everything so bright. Love it. That evening I started sewing a little curtain that I've had for a while. This curtain will go in the outdoor kitchen just by the pizza oven. It was just great to sit outside under the awning and just enjoy the sunset and fix my little curtain. We are at Angela and Lilo's lovely little place. We're gonna have a bit of coffee together, and Massi's helping Lilo put up some tiles. Look at these beautiful pictures. I love them. Right. Oh my goodness.
All right. There's a great story for where this came from.
And this is Puma, that's the actual official jersey.
That's the official one, yeah. That's come from the official routine. This one.
Really?
100%. It came through a guy called Bob Bushell. He's chief head mechanic for the Formula One Renault team. But they all know each other. So when I was younger, I had the opportunity to join the F1 team.
Right.
Yeah, when I was a lot younger. So through connections, through like reaching out, it was kind of
How
like,
lucky is
can
that?
you get me a top?
That is beautiful, man.
Let's have a look. Open it up.
That is beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
How amazing.
Well,
Turn it
Tommy,
around.
Your Williams shirt is going out the door.
Our brother-in-law works for Williams.
Yeah, he got me a Williams.
Our brother-in-law, my sister's husband.
He got me a Williams shirt.
Sorry, Tommy. You're out.
No hard feelings. This is what I love about coming to Sicilian homes. Even though she's been living in England all her life, at heart, she's Siciliana. Look at that.
Oh, she picked it up good here, hasn't it? Even the granitas they put sellotape on. Here we go.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Lovely. Perfect after my coffee. Look at these cups. Aren't they sweet? They go with the tablecloth and the tiles. So Massi's come to help Lilo put the tiles up. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them.
Yeah, so we'll like I say, we'll do it to the top there.
Yeah, you just do the right up until here.
Yeah, it's cool.
So today we have come to Angela and Lilo's house,
Yeah.
the girls, and a while ago Lilo asked me to put up these tiles. Yeah. And this is what we got up to.
It's amazing. I love
One
it.
very happy Angela.
Yeah, I don't
and a
blame
happy
her.
Lilo, and that is going to look good once we've done the whole wall.
No. Love it. Absolutely
It looks
love it.
amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, we are back home after a lovely day with Lilo and Angela, and we've been filling the pool up for about an hour and a half. It is at the halfway mark, so it's a slow process. We've also bought some paint for the decking. A lovely lady told me that her husband's a professional and that we shouldn't paint straight away, but I have noticed with some splashing of the water that we've had some marks. So I think we need to paint, to be honest, just to protect it. And we'll show you the color tomorrow morning. In the meantime, I bought some pool lights. I mean, they're tiny. I bought them off Temu. Of course they would be tiny, wouldn't they? They are remote control, but they don't bloody work, do they? The colours don't change. I can't even turn them off, but that's fine. I'll leave them on all night and I'll see how bright they will be. Oh, funny. I always say I must stop buying from Temu, but I always fall for it. Anyway, so that's the situation. I'll see you tomorrow morning. We are super happy with this new little decking that we've done. We still got a whole lot more to do, but for now, this will be good enough. We hope you've enjoyed yourselves and we'll see you next week with another one. Ciao, alla prossima!